Hello, welcome to the CEO dg&la YouTube channel. Amazon India is back with the daily Amazon quiz where users can answer questions and stand a chance to win exciting prizes. Amazon quizzes focus on product trivia and provide the opportunity for customers to win exciting prizes. The prizes for these quizzes range from free products and goodies to Amazon Pay balance. Check out the questions and answers. The odds of winning depends on the number of eligible entries that answer all the questions correctly. Eligible entries are the ones that satisfy the eligibility criteria outlined in the mobile app and follow the steps outlined in the details of the contest and how to enter section. Do not forget to tweet about your participation in the Amazon quiz using hashtag #QuizTimeMorningsWithAmazon. Amazon Quiz Question and Answers of September 30, 2020. First, Arundhati Roy won the Booker Prize in 1997 for her debut novel. What was the novel called? Answer: The God of Small Things. Second, Tour de France is an annual multi-stage event associated with which of these sports? Answer: Cycling. Third, which of these is a founder of the popular messaging app WhatsApp? Answer: Jan Koum. Fourth, in 1996, a mammal named Dolly was successfully cloned for the first time. What type of animal was it? Answer: Sheep. Fifth, which company made the humanoid robot known as Asimo? Answer: Honda. Step 4. Now, just click the Amazon quiz banner and start the quiz by tapping the Start button. Step 5. You have to answer the 5 questions correctly in the daily Amazon quiz in order to be eligible to win exciting prizes. Step 6. After answering all of today's Amazon quiz questions correctly, you will then be eligible for the Amazon quiz winners lucky draw. Step 7. The Amazon quiz lucky draw winners are announced on the winners list declaration date. Amazon quiz question and answers of October 2nd, 2020. First, in which year was Mahatma Gandhi nominated for the Nobel Prize for the first time? Answer: 1937. Second, on which day in history did Mahatma Gandhi embark on the famous Dandi march? Answer: 12th March 1930. Third, which leader did Mahatma Gandhi call the prince among patriots? Answer: Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Fourth, Gandhi was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize dash times and the committee regrets not giving him the Nobel Peace Prize to this day. Answer: 5. Fifth, Mahatma Gandhi shares his birthday with which Indian Prime Minister? Answer: Lal Bahadur Shastri. Sixth, which of these books was not written by Mahatma Gandhi? Answer: Long Walk to Freedom. Seventh, the book Unto This Last greatly captivated and transformed Gandhiji, so much so that he translated it into Gujarati. Who was its author? Answer: John Ruskin. Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.